मिलेंगे for an exciting interview with Sonam Kapoor and Abhishek Bachchan and a look at obesity in high focus. Welcome back. A promise is a promise and we made one at the beginning of the show. जी हाँ, मैं बात कर रही हूँ उन मज़ेदार पलों की जो हमने बिताई स्टार चिल्ड्रन अभिषेक बच्चन और सोनम कपूर के साथ. We spoke to Sonam Kapoor and Abhishek Bachchan about Delhi 6 the last time when they were here for the Dubai International Film Festival. So this time we wanted to do something completely different. Take a look. 3 things that you think the movie has that will make it a hit.
Story,
Great star cast,
cast,
great music,
and music.
great story.
3 things you think the director Rakesh has it to make him big in as a director.
He's sensitive.
Story sense,
He dares to do things which people might not usually do.
vision,
He looks to the future. I think that's important.
and he's a good human being.
3 things you love about your co-star Abhishek Bachchan.
Sense of humor,
She's tall.
personality,
She's full of life,
and his acting style.
and she's a wonderful actor.
3 of yours best and favorite Hollywood movies.
Gone with the Wind, My Fair Lady, and Scarface.
I don't have favorites. I like all of them.
And Bollywood.
Guide, Sujata, and Bandhani.
3 favorite soccer players.
John Terry, Didier Drogba, and Michael Essien.
3 favorite Bollywood actors.
Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, Mr. Anil Kapoor, and Mr. Raj Kapoor.
3 of your favorite fashion brands.
Chanel, Christian Dior, and Louis Vuitton.
I don't like fashion brands. I'm okay. Whatever.
Watches.
Omega.
Your 3 favorite makeup products.
L'Oreal Glam Shine, White Perfect Foundation from L'Oreal, and sunscreen.
3 things you love about Dubai.
Shopping,
The food,
food,
the people,
the way women do their makeup. Sorry men, but the women are prettier.
and the fact that they've made such a wonderful city out of the desert.
3 things you absolutely love about yourself.
Confidence, reading that I like to read, and my hair.
Okay, we clearly had a lot of fun this week. But right now, it's time for us to talk about something more serious in High Focus. हाई फोकस में हम हर हफ्ते उन इश्यूज को डिस्कस करते हैं जो हमारे लिए और हमारे सोसाइटी के लिए बहुत मायने रखते हैं और पिछले 2 हफ्तों की तरह इस हफ्ते फिर हम ओबेसिटी पर ध्यान देंगे. दिस वीक वी आर गोइंग टू डेल्व डीपर इनटू द सब्जेक्ट. हाउ टू क्योर ओबेसिटी. फूड हैबिट्स. It's important that you opt for a varied, high-quality diet to avoid a shortage of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. It's advisable to eat 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. In addition, you can have 2 healthy in-between snacks. Your dietitian at the Obesity Center will be pleased to help you prepare your dietary plan. Tips for your new eating behavior. Sit at the table in a calm, relaxing position and enjoy your meal. Take sufficient time for your meals. Don't watch TV during the meal and don't walk around. Eat calmly and avoid stress and unpleasant discussion at the table. Use a smaller plate, for example, a breakfast plate. Chew thoroughly. Always take very small bites. Use a teaspoon or children's cutlery. Do not drink anything during or shortly before the meal because it will cause you to feel full too quickly. Drink between meals. Drink slowly and take small sips. Avoid drinking half an hour or sooner before your meal. Wait approximately until half an hour after your meal before drinking something. Do not drink carbonated beverages and preferably alcohol. Physical activity. It's important that you not only adapt your eating habits, but that you also get sufficient physical exercise. Calories that you take in, but which are not used up, will be stored in the form of fat. To lose weight, the body must therefore burn more calories than the number of calories your body takes in through food. This is only possible by means of physical activity. Small changes make a big difference. Make sure that you have at least 30 minutes of physical exercise every day. Choose activities that give you pleasure. You can also lose weight by building more physical activity into your daily life.
For example, take the stairs instead of the lift. And if possible, walk to appointments and the shops. Or park your car a bit further away from the supermarket than normally. You might also consider getting a dog. Small changes make a big difference. Be inventive.
With that, we come to the end of another episode. Hope you really had fun. Don't forget to visit our website to win 2 amazing gift hampers from Naturibise. Next week, we are going to get you an exclusive interview with none other than Gautam Singhania, the complete man. So don't miss it. See you next week. Till then, have fun. 3 things you love about me.
I like your belt, and I like the fact that you laugh like this, and the fact that you're retarded.
Thank you very much. That's Sonam for you.